Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert star symbol in Excel. There are several ways to insert a star symbol in Microsoft Excel depending on whether you want it as a visual icon or the part of the data rating system. So in the first method you need to double click the cell where you want the star and then go to the insert tab on the top ribbon and on the right side click on the symbols and click on the symbols, and in the font section you need to select SEGOE symbol, and in the subset you need to select the miscellaneous symbol, and here you need to find it, and here it is the black symbol, and here is the black star symbol. You need to click to insert it, and here is the outline symbol. Click insert and close it, and here you can see that. Another way is that you need to press the window key and semicolon key, and then head to the search icon, click on the stars, and here you will see that different type of star. Which one you like it, you need to just click to insert it and close it. Moreover, you can insert the star symbol with the UNICHAR function. For this you need to put the equal sign, type UNICHAR and open the bracket and type the black star symbol code 9733 and close the bracket, hit enter. And if you want to insert the outline symbol, just need to change the code 9734, hit enter. So with these three methods, you can easily insert star symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.